Okay, in this video we are going to write the sine of x and the cosine of x in terms of the tan of x, because these are going to be some more trigonometric identities that can help us later on, especially when we come to integrating trigonometric functions. I'm going to start out with a right angled triangle with a hypotenuse of 1. And I shall label the horizontal side as A and the vertical side as B, and the acute angle between A and the hypotenuse as X. So in this instance, sine of X is equal to B divided by 1, so the opposite side over the hypotenuse, which of course is equal to B, and the cosine of X is equal to A on 1, the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, and of course that is equal to A, and of course the tan of X is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side, which will be B over A. So all pretty straightforward so far, and by Pythagoras Theorem we have the side A squared plus B squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared, so 1 squared, and of course this implies that the cosine squared of x plus the sine squared of x is equal to 1, and of course this is one of the fundamental trigonometric identities we all should have learnt in high school, and this is what we will use to express sine and cosine in terms of tan. So if I divide all of this by cos squared of x, I shall get cos squared x over cos squared x is equal to 1 plus sine squared x over cos squared x is equal to tan squared x, and 1 over cos squared x is equal to sec squared x, but I shall leave it as 1 over cos squared x for now. And this implies that if I flip this over, I'll get cos squared x is equal to 1 all over 1 plus tan squared x. And if I take the square root of both sides, I end up with cos of x is equal to 1 divided by the square root of 1 plus tan squared x. Now getting sine of x in terms of tan of x is a little bit more tricky, so let me partition off this half, and since the sine of x over cos of x is equal to tan x, I can express the sine of x as equal to tan x by cos x. Alright, so we have a tan x, and we know that cos x is equal to this identity here. So we can write tan of x over 1 plus tan squared of x. Alright, so that is sine of x in terms of tan x. And that shall do it for this video, and on the next video we shall express the sine of x in terms of tan of x on 2. So thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and please share, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel for future videos that may help with your math studies. And by all means, if you have any questions, please ask by using the comments below.